Hello friends, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? It is Saturday and I'm here cleaning up my craft room and doing another video of some stuff I need to put away. So I had done that video last night and got all that stuff put away. So now I've got another pile here. I'm going to try to get through pretty quickly so I don't take much of your time, but I wanted to, share what I got at some thrift stores. And so a bunch of fun goodies here. But yeah, I need to go grocery shopping and clean my house. So I'm just cleaning my craft room also today. So let's just get started. Let me see. Let's start with this little box of cards. This is different. That's why I got these. I don't have anything like these. I have flashcards. I have, different addition and things like that, subtraction, whatever kind of flashcards, but these were blue. When I opened the box, I thought they were pretty cool. They're glossy on this side. They're not glossy on this side. So, like, here you go. That's what you have. 3 times 9, there's the answer up there. Well, no, that's not the answer. Yeah, I'm trying to, okay, so, okay, the answer's on the opposite side. So, like this is 8 times 3 over here and the answer's over here, and then the 3 times 9 and the answer's over here, I guess, so you don't, so you don't know the answer when you're looking at it. So anyway, you get the idea. But I thought those were cool, a whole big box, of those, multiplication, 170 cards it says on the box, and I just got them because they're different. They're blue. I've never seen, solid blue cards like that, flashcards, so I thought those were cool, so I picked those up. And let's see, next is a bunch of more flashcards that it seems like I've seen these somewhere, like Dollar Tree or somewhere. But anyway, I picked them up because I like them. This box says United States on it. And they are, of course, the different states, but like they look like a map, which I don't know if I've actually seen these. Because I probably would have bought them if I saw them at Dollar Tree, but anyway, and they look like they're worth certainly worth more than $1. But I just thought they were cool, so cool, because I love maps, first of all, and they're little, like, each one is a different state, of course, and then on this side it has the stats about the state, and then on this side a little map showing where the state is. So pretty, I thought they were super cool, so I got those. Here's actually one of the whole United States. That's awesome. And as you can see, every state, let's see, it says there's 52 flashcards in here. So the colors are pretty. I just thought those were awesome. So they only had 1 box at the thrift store, because this other type they had 3 boxes of. So I got all 3 because I love those too, but they only had 1 box of these. But I would have gotten more if they would have had more. So that's that box. Let's see if I can get this back in here. There we go. And then this one, these are time related, telling time, it says on the box. So these are different clocks. Aren't they cute? All different types of clocks. So neat. Let me turn them around so you can see them right side up. Well, they're all different. They're all kind of mixed up here, but just really cool. If there's 36 cards, so maybe 36 different clocks type thing. But aren't they cute? So I got 3 boxes of those. And let's see what else I got here. I found another little cookbook booklet, vintage one, and this one's Better Homes and Gardens, so really cute on that. A little golden book. This one is an oldie for Sesame Street, the 4th season. I thought it was cute. It's in really decent, good condition. And let's see what the inside looks like. It does have a vintage look to it, like it's been around for a while. Let's see if we can see. It's got a little stamp here from the previous owner, and it is 1980. So yeah, cute little vintage, little golden book. I found some popcorn bags. These were strung together, and I have popcorn bags from Dollar Tree, and these are a little different, so I went ahead and picked them up. I have a thing for paper bags, so if they're cute, I usually get them. And then let's see, some little party invitations here. I wouldn't mind opening these up. See what they look like. They look old. They're by American Greetings. They're Halloween-y type things with a pumpkin there. It's a party, so probably, you know, Halloween party invitations. I'm going to be making a Halloween journal for the first time this year. I don't usually do seasonal. In the previous years, I haven't done seasonal journals very much because, you know, I want my journals to sell right away, and I'm afraid, you know, I kind of have shied away from those, but I'm going to do one this year. One Halloween journal is what I have planned, and you know, I've got ideas roaming around in my head, so I thought these would be cute to tuck in. You know, can tuck them in as a page or in a pocket, you know. You can always use them as a tuck spot or, you know, a side pocket too. So lots of uses for little cards like this, and you know, they are little, so. And then they have the envelopes in here too. Envelopes are just plain white, so it looks like, so nothing special about those, I don't think. Let me take a peek. No, they're just plain white envelopes. So, but these look like they've been around for a while. Is there a date? No, I do not see a date, but really super cute, I thought. So I picked those up. Here's some more cards I picked up. And I thought these were super cute. Let's see if this is all. It's like, this package has never been opened. The envelopes look like they're plain white. And there's some little extra ones here, like maybe they had 2 packs. Oh, here's some Rolodex cards too. Plain ones. Those must have been mixed up in there from when they wrapped them up at the thrift store. But so they must have had 2 packages and only used part of this one. But they're little shirts. I mean, is that not adorable? They're made by Hallmark. They open up. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so putting on a party. Little invitation. And it's blue inside with lines and cute little, that would make an awesome little cute journaling card, right? And spot. You can journal in here and then close it up like that, little shirt. I just thought that was so cute. Little like country looking shirt, like a denim shirt. So I just thought those were adorable. I've never seen anything like that. So cool. You never know what you'll find at thrift stores that you don't see in your regular, you know, places that you shop at. So let's see, here's my receipts. I found, I like finding cloth napkins, because, you know, you usually find more than one, and, you know, a lot of times they're really cute fabric, and they're perfect size for a journal. You know, you have plenty of fabric. Let's see, they have this one. They have this one attached by the price tag or something there. Let me see if I can open this one up. But yeah, there's plenty of room here for your cover, to cover a cover, usually inside and out, or use on your spine, or, you know, for pockets and things. And usually one is plenty for a journal. You know what I mean? You'll have extra scraps and things. But this was pretty. It had the roosters, and I like bright colors, so I thought this was really cool. And there are, let me see, how many did I get? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's 4 of those, so lots of those. I may have to do a fabric pack soon if I get too much fabric in my stash here. Do a little de-stashing. But you know, I hate to pass up cute things like this, so I figure I can use some, and then I can share some, you know, sooner or later when I get it together. But here's another piece of fabric. Let's see, what's this? Oh, this was napkins too, a different type of size. You know, they are different sizes I've found. You know, larger ones, and then like kind of like regular size ones. But I thought this was really pretty with the burgundy and a little kind of floral florals here. There's a tiny one there, and then there's that design there, like a tulip. So really pretty on those, and there's 2 of those, and that's a lot of fabric there, you know. So cool, so pretty. This is a little box that I found, and I usually don't want the boxes. You know, sometimes I try to ask them if I can buy the insides without buying the box, and so I didn't really want the box. I don't know what I'll do with it. I have some things stashed in my closet that are empty for, you know, potential future storage when I need it, so I might stick it in there for a while. But this is like from a bank, it looks like, and what looks like it like when you open an account a long time ago. This is old, and they would give you this box to organize your, see, it says for next year from your bank. So I don't know if they gave it to you or you had to buy it, but you could buy, this is a little advertisement where you could buy refills. And then it has, you see, it's like hanging, they hang in that box for like little hanging files. So like the first one here is a little file folder. This says, what does it say on there? January. And you open it up and you have all of this inside. I just thought these would be so cute to put in a journal. I don't know if there's a copyright on here. I don't know if I could copy these, but I'll look at that further later. But here's a canceled check record. And just look at these. I just want to show you how cute these little dividers are. Like this one is has space age services. It has a little picture on each one. Each one's a different color. And it has, inside you put your little information log. So cute. And it has all this too that you can, you know, we're supposed to use for your banking records. But let me just show you the dividers real quick because they're so cute. That one, home improvement. This one has a little picture there. And check it. This one, the colors, it's very 70s colors. Some of them, the gold and the avocado green. So cute. Back to school. Save where you bank. Little picture there. Little cartoony picture. New car loan. Here's the car lot. So cute. What is this one? Personal loans. There's I don't know what a fireplace has to do. Oh, it has something to do with Santa Claus and Christmas or something. So cute. And this one, have a wonderful new year. Little New Year's party there going on. Season's greetings, it says. So cute. And that's the last one. So I just thought that was adorable. I've never seen anything like it before. It does not have, I don't see a copyright here in any of this stuff. So super cute. I would love to copy it, and really would like to copy some of this and scan it and, you know, have it, you know, I could use the originals and still have copies to print out. So we'll see about that. That's a whole other organizing type thing. Little pile here of just kind of odds and ends I picked up at this thrift store. I found some, I don't know if I have them, yeah, I might have them all here. Let me see. These long, narrow cards I thought were so cool. They were just sitting around in this thrift store. So I tried to gather them all up and get them all that I could find. But first of all, some of them were really pretty, like this. And trying to get the glare away there. And then they're long and narrow, which would, you know, fit in a traveler's notebook, or you could even make a little notebook out of these, a little traveler's notebook, and use this as a cover. So just, you know, lots of options, and just, I thought they were really cute and pretty. So here's another one, little polar bear in the flowers. This one had flamingos on it. And this one says happy birthday, but it has this really pretty flower in there. This one has a happy birthday. Oh, it has a pretty flower inside too. Let me see. This one says congratulations, has a little black and white and a flamingo in it, and these are blank. Okay, and then let's see. These were little coasters, but they're pretty, and they're I usually don't buy coasters unless there's something like this. They're really kind of a cardboard thing, and they're not thick cardboard. As you can see, I can kind of almost bend it. So that could be a little decoration or something to stick in a pocket. I just thought they were pretty. There's a birdhouse on this one. I think that was all of the coasters. I've got some more cards here, a little bookmark, just, you know, like I said, odds and ends, a little polar bear bookmark. Here's what the coasters were in. I punched them out of that. And some little cards, just pretty. I thought they were pretty, so I just picked them up. This was even sitting there on a shelf. Flower seed packet, and it was a really pretty one that I don't remember seeing anywhere, and it says bee feed flower mix here, and it has a little bee on it, so I thought that was adorable and picked that up for a journal. And then this is a little calendar, and I kind of like the orientation of it, kind of horizontal. It's looked pretty, and the size is kind of smallish. So, and then I looked inside, and it had all these pretty pages that I could take out and use as pages in a journal, or, you know, you could tuck them in a tuck spot, you know, cut them up for journaling spots. Just thought it was a little bit different, and the size was cute, so I picked that up. A pretty envelope, just, you know, random. And then this is the last thing that I have sitting right here. We are at 16 minutes, I think. So this is a postage stamp album, and I've pulled these postage stamps out of there already. I've kind of used up all of my decorative postage stamps that are, you know, they've been used in some way, but they're decorative. By that I mean, because I have a whole box of United States flags and things like that, but I don't have a lot of these type, just kind of different pictures on the stamps and things like that. And like I said, I used them all up in creating things. So this past week, actually, so I needed some more. So I just happened upon this postage stamp album, and I pulled these out to use in my crafts, and then I can use the pages in here. So they're pretty, you know, they're black and white. There's some, whoever had this before put some seals in here. There's some like family crest in the back of this, and I think those were supposed to go back there or on other pages, but they're just randomly stuck in here, which I'm going to leave them there because they don't come off. They're not coming off. I already looked at them already. But really neat little pictures, even though they're black and white. And so I thought this would, you know, make cool pictures and something different to put as pages in a journal. And, you know, postage. I love postage, and a lot of people love postage type things. So I just thought this would be some fun, different, you know, pages to put in journals. So let's see, I'm trying to see where the stamps end. I think the stamps end here, and then we've got flags of the world, and then here's the family crest I was talking about. So those stickers that maybe whoever had this before stuck them, you know, it probably was a kid that just stuck them randomly in other places. See right here. But, and they belong back here, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's a junk journal, so it'll be a junk journal, so it'll just be fun. And then I have, I'm not, you know, I probably wouldn't use this for anything, but this is cool. The back is a whole map here that I could actually use this cover right here to make a journal cover. So super cool on that. So I'll go and put this stuff away, and I have, let me see, let me look behind me. I have at least one more video's worth of stuff to put away. At least, maybe, oh, wait a minute, I have some stuff on the floor. At least 2 more videos worth of stuff that I need to put away. So I'll probably be back, and like I said, last video, I think I said I'm trying to catch up and put all this stuff away. So I might try to just squeeze those in this weekend and get all that stuff. Because after I do the video, then I go put it away right away, not sitting around anymore. So everyone have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting.